Okay, dear students, so today's I am going to discuss the doubts regarding module 5. See, as per question paper, how they are going to ask in main exam, actually they are asking derivation on addition of branch and link. Okay, so whatever derivation I have given in this is from Nagat Kotari book. So this is the derivation. Like this is the basic they have given. So what to write? Actually it is lengthy derivation. So addition of branch and addition of link. So now whatever this derivation is, the derivation in the sense directly they are taking here. Here they are not mentioning any without mutual coupling. This is from Narat Kotari book. So in exam what you have to write if they ask addition of branch and link. So along with type, as you know, type 1, type 2 for addition of branch. Type 3, type 4 addition of link. So now what you have to do in exam, if they ask the derivation of branch, so now this type 1 and type 2 you have to write. Getting what I am telling? Starting whatever algorithm is there, this type 1 and type 2 you write. Along with this type 1, type 2, so what you have to do, this is for branch. And type 3, type 4 for link. In exam if they ask addition of branch derive Z bus building algorithm. So first this whatever directly whatever they have taken as per this diagram. First type 1, type 2 you have to write. Along with this next derivation whatever I had derived. What I am telling you, just see this one. Just wait for a while. Yes, this addition of branch. Previous I have shown addition of branch type 1, type 2. Along with this type 1, type 2 modification, start with this derivation. Continue this derivation addition of branch. Type 1, type 2 plus this one. Okay. Until this is whatever derivation we have done with mutual coupling. Okay. So this derivation starts with with mutual coupling, addition of branch as well addition of branch in the diagonal off diagonal value. So here we found that is first we have found off diagonal value z of qi and next will be z of qq. Okay, whatever derivation we have done with mutual coupling and afterwards cases we have applied. Okay, cases means without mutual coupling, no reference, with reference, like that. So up to here you have to derive. Getting what I am telling? This is for, before it was for off diagonal, next will be diagonal z of qq. Even though it is lengthy, nothing, you have to write it. Even though if they ask for 8 marks, 10 marks. Okay, so what you have to do, if they ask derivation for addition of branch building algorithm, starting whatever I have shown type 1, type 2 modification, along with that continue with this derivation with mutual coupling, that is z of qi, z of qq. Getting, even though it is lengthy, you have to write, no way. So like that you have to practice it. And already I sent videos on this addition of branch, addition of link with mutual coupling and cases how to apply. Okay, this is for addition of branch. So next will be, if you want to go for addition of link, if they ask, so what you have to do, just see, just I'll show this. Okay, if they continue, if they ask like addition of link form the building algorithm, so Z bus, so then what you have to do, start with this modification type 3, type 4, type 3, type 4 for link. Along with this derivation, so continue that lengthy derivation below that with mutual coupling. This is for what? Without mutual, both you have to write in exam, even though whatever they may ask. So first you have, this is for what? Without mutual coupling. So directly we are taking here. So this is type 3, type 4 modification for addition of link. Along with this derivation, what you have to write? Next lengthy derivation. Just I'll show you what you have to do. Yes. So before whatever I told, type 3, type 4 modification for addition of link, then continue with this derivation. Step by step algorithm. Okay, addition of link you have to take. Here also you have to form with diagonal as well as off diagonal value. So first you have to form, and actually in this link there is fictitious node L is created. The same thing I explained in derivation, that you can see it. And main thing is what, while adding a branch, one row and column gets added, but while adding a link, starting row and column gets added, that is fictitious node L is created. Afterwards that has to be deleted. So the matrix dimension remains same. Okay, so in this link also we are finding off diagonal value z of li and along with that z of ll, that is for diagonal, like this. Okay, once you derive, this is for with mutual coupling, and cases you have to apply without mutual coupling, no mutual coupling, with reference, without reference. And the same derivation we have continued while deletion process, the node has to be deleted, and updated matrix we are getting this one, that is of z of ij new is equals to z of ij old minus z of il z of lj divided by z of ll. This is for lengthy, even though it is lengthy, but you have to practice it, whatever they may ask in exam. So first type 1, type 2 modification, starting you have to write that in terms of building algorithm, starting Nagat Kotari, you just know what I have shown, and continue with this next derivation. Okay, same thing for branch also, link also. So don't write only starting what they have given, what I explained. Okay, getting what I'm telling? In exam, if they ask addition of branch and addition of link, don't write only this derivation, you won't get marks. Type 1, type 2 if you write, because in internal you people have written like this only. So what you have to do, for you people I'm telling you, so don't write only this type 1 type 2 modification for addition of branch. Along with this lengthy derivation below what it is there, what I explained, this is from Stack book, continue that also. This is from Naral Kotari, directly they have taken. Along with this, continue that below derivation for branch. And link type 3 type 4 you have to write and continue that what I told, the derivation, not diagonal, off diagonal value. Okay, so this is all about derivation of addition of branch, addition of link. And if you want to do problems on this, so I told what you have to analyze. At last I have shown one in one page all those equations and all, so that you will come to know how to do problems and all. Type 2 and type 2 for addition of branch, type 3 type 4 addition of link. With the special cases, refer those and do problems. See, while doing problems on building algorithm, what you have to do, so these are all the equations you have to refer while doing. So if they and actually I told simple triangle derivation is there, derivation, that problem I have shown how to do. And I told if type 1 type 2 is there, where it is connected, that you have to analyze first. Depending upon that, if it is a branch, if there is a reference is there, without reference, so depending upon that, equations has to be used. Okay, if you are going for addition of branch, if there is a if line is connected between new bus and reference bus, then for off diagonal value you have to use this equation, for diagonal this, and similar process you have to continue. Okay, so analyze this, and I what the same videos I sent how to do problems. So you first write down these all values in notebook and refer those videos with problems and solve it properly. Okay, building algorithm you have to analyze it properly. And in this unit, along with this another question will be on numerical solution, that is 4 derivations are there. Okay, that out of that 2 they are going to ask. So main problems they are going to discuss here in last module will be building algorithm. Apart from that, numerical solutions is there, point by point method, Euler's method, modified, so all those things, whatever, Runge-Kutta, all those derivations are there. Out of all 4, 2 they are going to ask compulsory. But problems what you have to do on building algorithm, compulsory problems has to be done, and derivation has to be practiced properly. Okay.